Hey guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to make a cute little octopus out of a toilet paper tube. Okay, all you need is a toilet paper tube, scissors to cut the toilet paper tube, paint of your choice. I used purple, a marker, and I use googly eyes for the eyes, but you do not need googly eyes because you guys can just use a Sharpie to draw the eyes and the smiley face. And for the last part, I use little gemstones that I found laying around, but that part is actually optional. You guys do not need to do that last part. Okay? All right, let me show you guys how to make the octopus. Okay, so you will grab your scissors and your toilet paper tube, and you're gonna cut slits towards the middle. I did 8. And it does not have to be too thick or thin. I did about that size. Remember to be super careful when using scissors. Okay. After that, I bent them like that. Okay. After that, you're ready to paint, okay? And you get to paint it however you want, whichever color you want. I used purple, and that's how it looked. And then when that is dry, I glued on that googly eyes, okay? Like I said, you guys can just draw the eyes. I'm gonna draw the smiley face. And I'm going to glue on the googly eyes. And that's how it looks. The last part is optional. You guys do not need the gemstones. It still looks cute that way, but I'm gonna show you guys what I did. I glued 2 on each strip like that. That's just an extra part that I added for it to look cute, but you do not need the last part. You guys can just leave it purple or whichever color you did. You will need to wait for it to dry, but there you go. Super simple. That's the final look. Like I said, you do not need the last part. You guys can leave it all purple or whichever color you guys made it, and it still looks super cute. Okay? Thanks for watching. I miss you guys so much. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.